What's going on, guys? Back again. Today we're doing headlights for your Forester. The operation is probably really similar to almost all cars. I'm sorry I'm dirty. It's the same day that I did the turbo install on my Forester. I have a few minutes to do these really quickly. It's raining. I kind of wanted to do this with a how to restore your headlights video. So if I get to that before I upload this footage, I may just put it on this video. If not, they'll just be two separate videos, because this probably really won't take more than like 5 minutes in video format, maybe 30 minutes in your real time. But anyway, so I got some new Auxbeam LED headlights because I have a headlight out in my car, and I've always wanted to upgrade headlights, but I've never done it for some reason. So inside the box you get a couple stickers, and you get like your manual, which comes in this nice little box, and of course the two LED headlights. And you know, they have a nice little heat sink on them, and they have fans. And so that's what we're going to install today. First step is we're going to uninstall the battery. Two reasons. One, working on electrical, it's just always a good idea to uninstall your battery, or at least disconnect it. And two, we're actually going to take the whole battery out, just simply because the battery is in the way. Let's go ahead and move over to the car and get started on taking the battery. Next step is going to be to remove the outside cap here, which is where your headlight's going to be. Okay, so when you look behind your headlight or your battery, there's a cover here all the way to the side of your car. It just twists off like anything else, pulls off, and then you see this weird looking contraption down here. Now there's a plug right here going into the back of the light, and then there's a grounding wire right here. So we're going to remove this and unclip this, and we'll unscrew this, and we're going to have to change this connection because the new light just uses a spade connector for the grounding wire, so that's what we're going to change it to. So this should just pull off. Okay, and there's power wire. Now this pushes in, down, and up. Now your headlight comes out, and there's your headlight. And you're going to need like a little screwdriver to get down into that guy. And just untwist this guy. And just go ahead and put that right back. Just undo it and put it right back if yours is like this too. Now I'm going to change this ring terminal, which if yours is like this, you're going to have to do it too. I don't know if this is a factory light or if this is an aftermarket conversion too. But we're going to take this ring terminal and we're going to turn it to a female spade connector, so the Auxbeam headlight can plug into it. So I'll be right back once this is done, and we'll resume. Okay, so with your two wires sticking out, and don't drop it. That's not a good idea. Wipe it off. Good enough. You have two male connectors, two female connectors. You've got black and red, pretty self-explanatory. Black goes to black, red goes to red. And this thing can only go in one way on these. So I'd slide it in, figure out which way that is, because it'll lock into a couple pins and it'll feel pretty firm in place. And then get this wonderful little metal wire in place, which is going to be a little difficult. It's almost easier to kind of guide it at the same time, because you're trying to get it over the black plastic like clip on these, so kind of just hold it in place. I'm gonna need both hands for this. I'll set you up like that. So use both hands. Right, one over the camera. In that place. Let's go right over. Now, can easily indicates the location. Okay, and as I was saying earlier, red to red, black to black, and I'm gonna cover this one with a little heat shrink because I don't like the bare exposed. So Nice little heat shrink cover. And then try not to burn yourself because this is not a lot of wire. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Come on. Good enough. That's enough to keep it from grounding on anything and shorting out, even though that is a ground wire. Just kind of funny. So once it's cool enough to tuck, just go ahead and tuck that inside your housing. Okay, so your headlight's installed. You can call it good, but I wouldn't. You have this little dust cap. Now, you're gonna need to, on yours it probably won't have a hole in it like mine does, but I would get like a step bit and kind of go through the hole or the center like I did, or the previous owner of my car did, until you get a nice hole in the middle. It's big enough to fit around your heatsink because it's going to stick through a little bit. Okay, so the last thing you guys are going to need to do to your car is you're going to need to make a hole through the center of your cover. Now, this one's already been done on my car, but it's not quite big enough for whatever reason, whatever headlights the previous owner used on this car. The heatsink must have been just smaller. So I'm going to take, I wish I had or could find my step bit, which would probably be the best option. But in my case, you could sand it. I'm going to use a rasp, like metal rasp, and just chew out the plastic really quickly, just enough to make clearance so I can cover it as much as possible. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so when you're done, you should have something that kind of looks like this, where it's a pretty, in my case, it's a pretty mangled hole. Hopefully yours looks prettier, but nobody's really gonna see this. And it should fit around your headlight. So let me go ahead and throw this back in. Just put one up top. And ta-da! And it's in. Now we just need to reinstall our battery and we're good to go. Okay, so just turned them on, and man, they're bright. They look really good, to be honest with you. Super excited about it. I just realized that one of my DRLs is out too for the top lights, but I'll deal with that later. I think it's more important to actually have some headlights in there. So I'm super excited for these. Link down in the description where I got these things from. Of course, it's going to be an Amazon link. And just quick shout out, like all of my links or a lot of my links are affiliate links. They don't cost you guys anything. They just kind of help me, they help support my channel. They help me get more content for you guys, new parts, new things for you guys. So you're just helping out the channel and I super appreciate that. So anyway, here is what they look like. They are a heck of a lot brighter. And it looks really good, and I'm super pleased with these. And I think at some point I'll swap over my my high beams, and that's it for the moment. I'm gonna go do an oil change really quickly on this, even though it just started raining. So super excited for that one. Not really. That's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for following me. Check out the Instagram. Check out the links down below. Check out the website. Let me know what you guys think. You know, hit me up in the comments below. Ask questions. I'm totally happy to answer them. And these headlights need to be restored, so that's gonna come up at some point. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Okay guys, first time driving the Subaru in about 3 weeks with a brand new turbo, which is really exciting actually, because I've been tired of this thing not working. Turbo kicks. Woo, baby! We have power. Well, this thing feels infinitely better, which is super great. Just made it back home. Super excited to have the Forester back. It's been a hot minute since it's been around. I think about 2-3 weeks now. I've been daily driving the RX-7. The RX-7 is great. I still love it. Still super excited to modify it. But it's really good to be back in the Subaru, just for daily driving. I kind of missed it, and its conveniences and not a bucket seat.